In 2025, augmented reality and virtual reality are transforming how we interact with the world, enhancing gaming, education, shopping, and healthcare. Let's explore the top-rated apps. Augmented reality blends digital elements with the real world. It's used in gaming, shopping, and healthcare by overlaying digital content onto physical surroundings. The classic game Pokémon GO uses AR to integrate Pokémon into the real world, offering a more immersive experience. IKEA Place allows users to visualize furniture in their home through AR, helping them see how it fits and looks. In 2025, AR will continue to grow in industries like healthcare, tourism, and education, such as surgical simulations and interactive guides. Unlike AR, virtual reality fully immerses you in a computer-generated environment. It's used in gaming, training, and therapy, providing realistic experiences. Beat Saber is a popular VR game where players slice blocks to music, also serving as a fun fitness tool. Oculus Venues allows users to attend live events in VR, making them feel physically present even if they're at home. By 2025, VR will expand into virtual workspaces and mental health therapy, enabling virtual meetings and immersive therapy. Let's take a closer look at the best AR and VR apps in 2025 that are leading the way in innovation. Pokémon GO has added more AR features for lifelike interactions. IKEA Place helps users visualize furniture before purchasing, enhancing shopping experiences. Oculus Venues provides a new way to experience live events from the comfort of home. Beat Saber continues to dominate with new music packs and multiplayer features. Google Earth VR allows exploration of the world virtually with stunning views. The potential of AR and VR in 2025 is immense, transforming industries and creating new experiences in education, healthcare, and the workplace. In 2025, AR and VR are integral to education, healthcare, and business, enhancing how we learn, shop, and connect.